Ano yung mga sinasabi ni Daniel na gusto niya daw makatrabaho si Sarah? Anong take mo doon?
It's very nice. Sarah also wants to work with him. Nagka-prod na sila sa ASAP and very cool. I'll be happy if that happens.
Ano masabi mo, may mga clamor din talaga na gusto magkasama sila together?
Maganda naman. Sarah always tells me, I hope I'm gonna work with Daniel. I hope. And then sabi ko, you see you guys have a prod together. Hopefully maka-movie din sila in the future.
So sinusupport mo rin yung
tingin niya daw, batang kapatid. Si Daniel. Kaya hindi siya. Sabi ni Sarah.
Magka-age na kami Daniel.
Pero Matt, ano yung nasabi mo kay Sarah about Daniel since naka-work mo?
Daniel is such a nice guy. Hindi kami nagka-work on set, but off the set, seeing each other like this, he's just a very nice guy. Even Catherine is very, very nice. She's such a nice person.
Alam mo, it's actually, alam ng Panginoong Diyos, it's really for our fans.